As a Kohler Diesel Authorized Repair Center, the partner's website is the gateway to service resources. Basic Dealer Access provides a login and password that can be used by all employees of a Kohler Authorized Repair Center to access manufacturer bulletins and documents for gasoline engines. Service parts listings are also available for gasoline and diesel engines. Basic Dealer Access also provides workshop manuals for select Kohler diesel engines. Dealer Technician Access is provided to a technician who has completed Kohler factory diesel training and is employed by a Kohler Authorized KDI Repair Center. Dealer technicians can also access manufacturer bulletins, KDI and KSD workshop manual, and troubleshooting help files.